What up, y'all? It's Nasty Nate and welcome back to the channel. If you haven't already, please hit subscribe. If you're watching these videos on a consistent basis, it helps the algorithm. Hit the like button for me so I can get a little bit more traffic. Today, my bike got a little bit of love. I got a new color scheme. I'm not going to show you guys yet because it's for a video shoot coming up, but I'm wrapping my tank. And I've always done the HT Moto just across the top of the dented tank or the fabricated tank, but the color of my tank with the color of my fairings and kind of the look that I went for, the tank was just a little too much for me. So what I did was I want to actually wrap it on the sides here and get it so the tank doesn't have as much of the color and it's breaking up a little bit because I've got black on the frame, black other places, and I want to kind of put a little bit of black on the tank as well, like I said, just to break the colors up a little bit. I've never wrapped a tank on the sides, so I figured what I would do, as I've already started a little bit, I stopped so I could make this video so we can just learn together. So this actually isn't HT Moto. I got this from a marine supply company online. It was way cheaper than HT Moto. It got here way faster. I got this piece, I think it was 20 by 30 for like 40 bucks, I think, with shipping, which, like I said, is way cheaper than actual HT Moto. But at the end of the day, it's the same exact thing. It provides grip for boats, which is what HT Moto was anyways, with HydroTurf. So I've got this set on top. Now I'm gonna start working the sides a little bit, and I'm using a heat gun because we know the HT Moto and all this stuff is so thick that it doesn't actually bend, but when you heat it up with the heat gun, you're able to work it. So I've got the tank on the bike right now. I'll probably end up taking it off and actually getting to the point when I do start making my cuts to round it on the tank, that I'm actually doing it sitting down so I can see a little better and I have a little bit more precision with the razor. So for now, I'm just gonna heat it up and get it kind of worked into the shape that I want. So what I'm noticing right here is that heating it up and getting it to where it's kind of floppy and flexible is really the key here, because it bends so much easier and you're able to, like I said, stick it, you know, really exactly where you want it. So then I have these flaps right here that I can trim off and kind of connect underneath here. So as you can see, I've got it laid down there. If you can see it, got it laid down there. These flaps, I gotta cut this flap so it lines up right there, and then I can finish wrapping that side. did way better on this side than I did on this side. I had to peel this one back, and this one, I got it in there pretty good. That's what it's looking like, but I got these weird bubbles right here. It's really bugging me. I don't really know what to do. Maybe I can like melt them off or something with the heat gun, or maybe use a lighter and melt them off, but that is gonna bug me, especially because this bike's gonna look fresh. So basically now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start shaping what I wanna do with the bottom here. I'm gonna actually take it off the bike and see if I can, you know, make some decently straight cuts and make it look clean. So I finished one side. I'm pretty satisfied with it. I kind of wanted a little bit more of a curve here, but it is what it is. Maybe I can take an X-Acto knife and try to carve some of that out. But for now, I think it looks pretty good. Top looks good. Solid. The back looks solid. So, all right, y'all. So I got the tank finished. Overall, I'm pretty happy. I would say for my first time, I did okay. I did learn some things. One being that you need a really sharp. I didn't have a brand new razor blade, one I've been using to scratch paint off, and I've been using it for a couple months. I would suggest an X-Acto knife because I get this little like fraying. Let's see if you can see it, like right here. Because the razor blade wasn't super sharp, it left some of those marks. But I mean, like I said, I'm pretty happy. I wish that this was a little more curved, but you know, it looks okay. Basically, what I wanted to do was have this wrap. So one, like I said, I could break up the colors a little bit, and two, because I kind of went a different route with the paint, and I don't want to rub it off with my jeans, or rub it off right here. So that's why I did it this way. Like I said, overall, I'm pretty satisfied. I think it looks pretty good for my first tank wrap. It's pretty symmetrical. It looks pretty even on both sides, I would say. Hopefully y'all think the same. But the reason I rewrapped the tank is because the bike got painted. I got fairings for it, which I'm gonna reveal in a super dope upcoming project with one of my sponsors, so stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share a video with a friend, and I'll see you guys in the next one.